Welcome back to a Good Day.
Yeah.
We have been making it a great day. I have to say it today, but we have, of course, Toledo on Fire. They were just here, and I can't wait to see all the toys that they have.
Yes.
But like I said, I wanted a little bit of music here this morning.
Got to get into that holiday spirit, really feel it this morning, and there's no one better to help us get into the holiday spirit than Sheri LaFontaine. Good morning.
It's so good to see you all.
Thank you for being here today. You're usually doing something special this time of year.
Yes, I'm bringing Christmas to Toledo, as if it wasn't already here, but I like to do a holiday concert once a year in my hometown, so that's really nice. We are doing it this year at Holland Free Methodist Church, and that's going to be on December 17th at 7 o'clock.
Okay, so that's coming up here next weekend,
next weekend. Yes, and tickets, can we just show up? How does that work?
It's a free will offering, so yeah, it'll be a special night, and some of my family will be there since I'm home, so it'll be really a special event for me, just to be with my friends and neighbors and everybody I call family. So.
Well, we're happy to have you here at home. For folks who, throughout the years we always have you on during the holiday season, but tell us a little bit about your background, how you got into music, and I know your whole family is into it too.
Yes, our whole family is into music. We grew up singing on the road. My dad was a traveling evangelist, and so we sang at church after church after church, and then in auditoriums, and it just grew from there. And so I'm a gospel singer still to this day. I do a lot of inspirational music, and something to encourage people is the ultimate goal. I was on the latest Gaither video. That's awesome. I was so excited to be a part of that with Bill Gaither, and then of course to sing at Perfecting Church where Marvin Winan is the pastor there. So that was pretty awesome too. And so God continues to bless, and it's just an honor to do what I do. So
we love to hear it.
Yeah, and I was so happy that you were talking about my family's going to be here, because really today we're celebrating kind of like bringing everybody together and making sure these kids have a great Christmas, considering family situations are different for everybody. So it's kind of nice to be able to still share that family love with everybody.
Yeah. It is. Every Christmas I go Christmas shopping with the littlest members of our family, and I think it's important for them to learn not just to get, but to give. It's more important to give than to receive, and when that's taught, it brings an inner happiness. When you're out shopping for somebody else, thinking of somebody else, it brings an inner happiness that nothing else can give. So.
It is priceless, truly. So, well, okay, we got to hear from you. Let's hear from you. You have to sing a classic.
Okay.
That Toledo tradition. So tell us what you're going to sing right now.
All right, this is a song I wrote several years ago. I started it at a Mud Hens game and then finished it at the Nutcracker at the Stranahan. And so I wrote this song, and everybody relates to it a little bit. It talks about little places around home. So.
All right, well, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Take it away.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Spring and summer's come and gone, when we cheered the mud hens on, and the autumn leaves at Wildwood have fallen as they should. But tonight the glass city is a crystal sheet of white, and there's nothing that could keep me from being here tonight. Happy holidays, Toledo. Season's greetings, my hometown. As Christmas on the river plays the carols loud, glad tidings and here's wishing at the Cherry Street Mission hope is found. Happy holidays, Toledo, my hometown. Bundle up as we walk through the lights before Christmas at our zoo. And in the checkout line wine at Westfield, Franklin Park. We'll find that special deal. And all the pretty ballerinas at the Stranahan we'll see. Each holiday tradition, they all say home to me. Happy holidays, Toledo. Season's greetings, my hometown. As Christmas on the river plays the carols aloud, glad tidings and here's wishing. At the Cherry Street Mission, hope is found. Happy holidays, Toledo, my hometown. See, I'm proud of the biggest small town. And as another year comes around, happy holidays, Toledo. Season's greetings, my hometown, as Christmas on the river plays the carols aloud, glad tidings and here's wishing. At the Cherry Street Mission, hope is found. I pray that hope is found. Happy holidays, Toledo. Season's greetings, Toledo. Happy holidays, Toledo. My hometown. Ooh, my hometown.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you.